Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Jealous ya? You jealous? Adik, sayang adik. Adik just relax here for a while, okay? Don't jealous ya? Adik sleeping at our bed tonight. Adik. Adik. Do. Adik visiting us. Yeah. Adik sleep here, yeah? Okay. Don't jealous, yeah? Oh, jealous. Oh, lo. Jealous. You and your mother same jealousy. Adik sleep, yeah? Come on. Adik sleep, yeah? Sayang. Come on, sleep. Be good, eh? Adik. What? Oh. Two little fella cannot accept. Yeah. Adik. Both of you jealous, right? I know both of you jealous. That's why you try to grab her. Sleep, okay? What? Adik just one night sleep here. Okay? Can? You okay, yeah? Don't jealous, yeah? Ina. Oh, lo jealous. Oh, lo. Oh, lo. Oh, sayang adik. Mandi. Oh, lo. Adik. Oh, lo. Don't angry. Okay? I cannot put adik inside there. Shaki might grab adik. Adik sleep. Yeah, adik sleep. Yeah. Mai, sini. Okay? Come here. Why you scared? Come. There. Chico. Mai sayang, mai. Relax. It's okay. They cannot come out. Come on. Sleep, sayang. Sleep, sayang. See? Both of you okay, yeah? Yeah. Can I say, yeah? Shaki sleep there first. Later I come here. Okay? Okay. Oh, lo. Oh, lo. Oh, lo. Oh, sayang. Oh, lo, jealous. Oh, lo, jealous. Jealousy. Sleep, yeah?